Mariah Carey gonna have to wait, y'all, because the real best holiday is coming up.
What's good, bro?
Damn, you eating already?
Yeah, man. These Thanksgiving leftovers, they hit different.
Oh, you got food for days, bro. I can never make mine last past the first day.
Hey, shit happens.
What did you say you were eating?
Oh, just some stuff I had left over from Thanksgiving.
How's that even possible? Thanksgiving is 2 weeks from now.
Oh, bro. I can't wait for this year's Thanksgiving leftovers. It's about to be impeccable.
Bro,
Man,
what do you mean by that?
that shit gonna last me forever.